And today at Level 39 and over the next 2 days, I'll be joined with individuals who are part of an industry that has since survived and thrived in an era of significant digital disruption.
This idea of there is bank and then there is life, that's gone. I think we've got to be able to integrate banking into life.
Banking itself may not change, but how banking is done is going to change. And that is where CBAT is coming about.
This technology is enabling competition in a way that it didn't previously enable competition.
I believe that if you fast forward 10 or certainly 20 years' time, you'll barely recognise wealth as it was now.
We need to build a future together if indeed we are going to be part of that future.
I look at fintech as the R&D for large banks or financial organizations that frankly didn't have the culture or the capability or the DNA to be able to think differently.
Yeah, and I think if we take this approach of a general purpose technology and an enabling infrastructure, if we superimpose a whole value chain in financial services, we're already seeing very tangible, real case solution.
Gen AI is more of a general purpose technology. That means that it can actually help increase the productivity of almost anyone that actually works in a bank.
Where it's a black and white case of integrating to an API, AI seems to work particularly well.
It's not efficient for us to use this third party and pay them a fee every time we give them a customer. We can acquire the tech, pull it into our ecosystem.
And I guess that's where we've been using AI quite actively in being able to understand and synthesize that information and turn it into kind of usable, working and fair credit decisions.
The real crypto adoption is going to happen behind the hood, under the hood, behind the scenes, and it should be making us work faster, smarter, harder.
I know about Nigeria, I know about Kenya. The fraud rate in Kenya banking grows about 25% year on year. Now the reason is because it's a small country, 52 million people. However, the banking inclusion in Kenya is almost equivalent to that of UK.
Understanding more about financial services and how to invest and providing that kind of content. And yeah, there is a lot of content around it that probably needs to be out there and shared.